Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to view all the members in a specific Telegram group, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily see who's part of your group. Whether you're using Telegram for community building, study groups, or just staying connected with friends. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look through your chat list and find the group you want to check. Tap on the group chat to open the conversation. At the top of the screen, you'll see the group's picture or name. Tap on it. This will bring up the group's information page, where you can see details like the group description, shared media, and more. Now, look for the horizontal list of options near the top. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Members. Tap on Members, and just like that, you'll see the full list of everyone in the group. You can scroll through to view each member, and if you want, you can tap on a member's name to view their profile or start a private chat, depending on their privacy settings. This method works for most Telegram groups, but keep in mind that some groups may have privacy restrictions set by admins, which could affect how much information you can see about other members. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can quickly view all members in any Telegram group you're part of. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a hand navigating Telegram. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy connecting with your Telegram community.